Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display enclosure. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the webcam ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the battery. Peel back the retention tape that secures the webcam to the display panel assembly. Important: make careful note of the location of the rubber microphone covers. They may accidentally be removed with the webcam retention tape. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the webcam to the display panel assembly. Remove the 2 rubber microphone covers from the microphones on the webcam board. Lift the webcam off of the display panel assembly and remove. Place the webcam in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam from the static dissipative bag. Place the webcam into position on the display panel assembly. Replace the rubber microphone covers onto the microphones on the webcam board. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the webcam to the display panel assembly. Important: ensure the rubber microphone covers are properly positioned over the microphones. Replace the tape that secures the webcam to the display panel assembly. Insert the webcam ribbon cable into the webcam ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Apply pressure to the length of the webcam ribbon cable to adhere it to the battery.